So this is the first rain of 2023. How can I miss it? I decided to walk. Okay, you can hear it's. You can see few thunder and lightning nearby, but really can't resist the first rain. It's been 2-3 months. I'm very excited because tomorrow we are going to build a rammed earth, and we'll have to dig the earth, and having a rain at this time is really helpful because it makes the soil little loose. Otherwise the soil here becomes very hard. It's difficult to work with. I'm just walking around on my farm to see how things are. I am sure my plants are very happy. It's quite cold. Shivering and walking now. There is also a possibility of these burrow animals to come out, rats or snakes. But I hope it's not too much water. See, kids, it's good. This is what, an inch. Okay, it's wet up to an inch. See. Maybe 1.5 inch of the ground is wet, so it's a pretty heavy rain, obviously in a very short duration, but it's okay. So here we planted more than 700, 800 plants. What I did was I used to get in batches of 300 or 200 plants, and I kept on planting them. I still have 300 left. Plan to plant them maybe by June, July or August. That's when the monsoon here starts. See the leaves, it's all clean. It's very clean. It's so bright. I'm sure my plants are gonna like everything. See this area, in just a week this will all turn into very dark green, the grasses. Here I don't till the ground. just banana plant is here. So all these are growing by itself. I am not watering any of these plants except for these trees. I keep watering them once in a week or maybe twice. You can see it's the leaves and all. It's showing some deficiency. I need to check what it is. Otherwise it's all coming up really well. See a lot of baby leaves are coming up, which is good. Something wrong with this plant. This again. It's a jackfruit. This is the Malabar neem. So just a week ago it was all empty. Now the new leaves have started sprouting. So they know it's time to start growing. And just in time there is a rain. This is one thing I really like away from the nature is so well coordinated with each other. Plants already know when it is time to start the life, they know it way better before any other creatures. This is my avarakai. This keeps coming and I put this in my sambar. This is my part of my daily food. Apart from this, there is seasonal spinach which I get. Okay, this is good. Here's avarakai, my coconut. I have who threw this here? These idiots. So our labor people have a little less sense when it comes to housekeeping. So if you ask them to clean up this place, they will clean it, but they will throw it on the neighbor's farm. For them, they think this place is clean. So you have to be with them all the time so that they don't create or cause any new problems. This is my space for rammed earth. We just made a little more space so that we can put the scaffolding. But now you see it's full of water, and this is the soil that we are going to use tomorrow. This is good. It's not too watery, but it is wet enough for us to use. So this is a section. It goes like this.